Hi Kim, it's Matt. I just want to show you how the calendars can be embedded on your Google Sites. But the good thing is about using a Google site is you don't have to get that embed code anymore or go into the settings of your calendar. What you can do is you go into Edit Page and you pick any page. I'm just going to do it here by way of example. And if I do some space down here, left align I guess, you can click Insert and you'll see there's a calendar option. And so what this does is you can choose which calendar you want to put on here. So say I'm putting my Summer Tech calendar on here, and I also want to have my Mission 2020, or I want just this calendar here. So I'll pick this first. I can add another calendar by clicking here, and I could choose, okay, I also want my academic calendar on there too. And those are the two calendars that'll show up. You can leave the height and width the way it is because it's set up for like a whole page view, and you can choose your options here and title it. But if I hit save, it'll look like a little widget here, and I can align it center, but it doesn't really matter. I'll keep it on the left hand side. If I hit save, boom, calendar comes in like that. So that's how you embed the calendar on your Google Sites website. Again, it just makes more sense to use Google Sites for us because the embedding is not a headache like that, and people from outside of the domain can see it. The one thing that you should remember to do is if you have the calendar before you when you share it. If I go to Summer Tech Experiments and I go into share this calendar, in order for people outside of my domain to see it, I have to go into share this calendar on my Google Calendars and click share this calendar with others and make it public. That way no one has to have like a glenridge.org domain name in order to see it. If you don't check off these boxes right here, what they're going to see is a big box that says you need access, you need to be granted access to view this, and then they'll have to email for you. So just make sure that for both or whatever calendars you're going to put on your Google site, you go into settings and share this calendar on the calendar, and make sure you hit save before you leave. Okay, and that's basically how you can put your calendar on your web page. In terms of other stuff on there, I have general reg reference stuff just so people can see the style of writing that my students are doing on the class. You could also embed Google Docs on here that people can scroll through, which is pretty cool as well. And again, that would be in going to the Edit, Insert, and then you could actually choose something from your drive and it'll show up. So like if I do Documents here, and I go to Summer Tech Agenda, and I just pop it in here, it'll pop up a widget like that. I hit save, and then you'll see it'll look like almost like a PDF here that people can view, right? And so that's how you insert that kind of thing on your website as well if you want to. So that should cover it. If you have any more questions, please email us. Thank you.